In this video, I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your Canon PIXMA TS4320. In case it's happening, what I suggest the first step is to simply disconnect the printer from the power source, because it's better not to stick your finger in a printer that is connected to power. So let me remove this cable. Here we go. Now, the first place I suggest to check for any stuck debris, paper, anything is on the back of the printer. You're going to notice there's a small latch over here. Push it towards the right side. Okay, just like that. And this will come out. You'll have access to these rollers. And most of the time, this is where you're going to find your stuck paper. If you see anything, simply take it with your fingers or with a pair of tweezers. Now, if everything was fine over here, let's place it back. And we're going to put this printer on its back. So I'll put it this way and I will flip it. At the same time, pull this paper input. You can remove it. And now you're going to have access to other rollers. Again, there's a good chance that when a paper got picked up by these, it got stuck. So take it out with your fingers. You can also pull this paper output. Maybe something is over here. It's very rare, but yeah, take a look as well. If everything looks fine, let me show you the third place where you can check for any stuck paper. So I'll put back this. On the side of the printer, you have a small gap. Pull up this top panel. And now we have access to this spot. So usually you can get a paper jam error when the printer cartridge carriage, it's right over here, it's not able to move freely from right to left. If something is blocking, maybe it's on over there, maybe it's in the middle, maybe it's under this cartridge carriage. Okay, if there is a stuck paper over there, it will give you this error message, and yeah, the printer will stop operating because it thinks that a paper is stuck, and most of the time, yes, there is something stuck. So take a look and remove any debris. At the end, once you've finished, pull up this top panel. It will fall down, and now it's time to connect the printer to the power source, power it on, and the air will clear itself if you have removed the stuck paper. Overall, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like, comment down below, check my Amazon links if you want to get some ink cartridge replacement for this model, some paper, or a new printer. You support my channel this way. Have a beautiful day.